GJ, South Africa, are you ready to revolutionize your well-being? Buckle up, because we're about to take you on an exhilarating journey into the world of Smart Hemp Gummies with Ashwagandha. Whether you're battling anxiety that's holding you back, feeling down in the dumps, or just want to give your heart some extra TLC, we've got the solution you've been desperately searching for. Listen up, because this is going to change your life. Smart Hemp Gummies are not your average health supplement. Oh no, there's so much more. They're your ticket to a healthier, happier you. We're talking about powerful, natural relief that's safe, non-habit forming, and 100% legal. How's that for peace of mind? But wait, there's more. These little miracles aren't just about feeling good. They're about being healthy from the inside out. They're packed with goodness that strengthens your heart, helping you stay fit and active well into your golden years. Who says you can't teach an old dog new tricks? Now, you might be thinking, what makes these gummies so special? Well, let me tell you. They're crafted with organic hemp seed oil and bursting with nature's finest anti-inflammatories. It's like having a little health factory in each gummy. We've harnessed the power of nature and packed it into a delicious, easy-to-take form. It's so simple, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. We're not talking about your run-of-the-mill health supplement here. Smart Hemp Gummies are a proper powerhouse for anyone looking to boost their overall wellness. They help tackle chronic pain that's been holding you back, crush stress that's been eating you alive, and kiss those sleepless nights goodbye. Plus, they support heart health and even help control sugar levels. It's like having a personal health coach, nutritionist, and stress counselor all rolled into one tasty package. Here's the kicker. We're so confident you'll love them. We're offering a 60-day money-back guarantee. That's right. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. We're putting our money where our mouth is because we believe in this product that much. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this stuff legit? Absolutely. Smart Hemp Gummies are produced in a GMP-certified facility and FDA-approved. We're all about improving your health responsibly. No funny business here. Just pure, natural goodness. So, what are you waiting for, South Africa? It's time to make an informed choice and start feeling great. Give Smart Hemp Gummies a go and see the difference for yourself. Here's to a healthier, happier you. Remember, good things come to those who commit. Stick to your treatment plan, and you'll be amazed at the results. Smart Hemp Gummies, your path to a vibrant, energetic life right here in beautiful South Africa. Don't let another day go by feeling less than your best. Grab your Smart Hemp Gummies today and join the thousands of South Africans already enjoying the benefits. Your body will thank you, your mind will thank you, and your future self will definitely thank you. Are you ready to take control of your health and well-being? Smart Hemp Gummies are here to help you do just that. Give them a try. Your journey to a better you starts now. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your life. The power is in your hands. Make the smart choice. Choose Smart Hemp Gummies.